course, when you tell a story, the story itself is important. But storytelling is so much more, because it's about the space, the surroundings, and also the atmosphere in which the story is told. Because stories actually convey emotions and feelings, and those in return help us to remember a good story. We can even amplify this effect when we choose a setting for the story that evokes the same feelings. So in this topic, we want you to explore what effects different places have on your sensations, and also to teach you a bit to perceive the places with all your senses, because we actually rely often solely on what we see. But for storytelling, the other senses are way more important to become a good storyteller. So with the activities in this topic, we want you to strengthen your senses first, so that further on you can choose a story that really can convey the feelings and emotions that you want to convey with your story. Second, connect your feelings to a certain place so that you can further on choose the right place and the right setting for your story, and also create the right atmosphere that you want your audience to have. And third, take into consideration different feelings, different points of view, different memories, all concerning your chosen space, so that you can actually create a storytelling space that is comfortable for everyone.